Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Utkarsh here. Today we are going to talk about such a topic which is often overlooked and courses often don't talk about the differences between these two very similar operators. Double equal to operator, which is an equality operator, and is, which is an identity operator. But the problem is that learners misunderstand and think that both these operators work the same way and tell whether two elements are equal or not, or whether two objects are equal or not. But this is not the case. So let's start from the definition first. As I have mentioned here, that double equal to operator is used when you want to compare the values of two objects or check whether two variables are equal or not. That's why it is called the equality operator. Whereas is operator is used when you need to check if two objects are same at the memory location or their identities are same. That's the reason it's called the identity operator. Let's start from the examples. Let's take a variable A and store a list in it. Then we create another variable B and assign variable A to it. So that's why it is known as the assignment statement. Now the variable B refers to the same list object as variable A. And now if we print A equal to B, it will evaluate to true because both variables are talking about equal lists. But on the other hand, if we print A is B, then it will again evaluate to true because both refer to the same list object, so both have the same memory addresses. Okay, now let's take it one step further and create another variable C, which is storing the same list as A. If we print A double equal to C, then of course it will print out true because lists are equal, as you can see from the variable A. But then what's the catch? If we print A is C, then it prints false. Wonder why? Because here are two different variables and they have their own list objects, means they have their own different memory addresses. The values of lists may be equal, but they don't have the same identity or memory addresses. That's the reason it prints false. Okay, now let's prove whether these variables have different memory addresses or not. We can do it by using the id function. Now what does the id function do? Id function checks the memory addresses or location of a variable. It returns a unique identifier for an object which corresponds to its memory address. Here we have used the id function to retrieve the memory address of A and store it in variable address A. And likewise we have done it with all the three variables. Now we have printed the addresses of A, B and C. Here comes the output. It is clear that the variable A and B have the same memory addresses because both were referring to the same list objects. But address of variable C is different from others because it was a different variable holding its different list object. That's all for today. I hope you found this lecture helpful. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know in the comment section. For more such contents, consider subscribing. Till then, keep exploring Python.